everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shiny Days. I'm Seher. First of all, Merry Christmas to all of you. So today I'm gonna be recreating Nikkie tutorial's makeup look. Recently she posted a really beautiful makeup look, like she did a challenge which was filter choose my makeup, जो कि TikTok पे है, but obviously in India we don't have TikTok, it's banned in India. तो मैं उनका ही मेकअप लुक रिक्रिएट करने वाली हूँ. पहले मैं करने वाली थी टिकटॉक चैलेंज जिसमें कि टिकटॉक आपका क्रिसमस का मेकअप डिसाइड करता है एंड आपको सेम करना होता है, बट वी डोंट हैव दैट इन इंडिया ऑब्वियसली. सो हम उन्हीं का ही मेकअप लुक रिक्रिएट करने वाले हैं एंड आई डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट्स व्हिच शी यूज्ड इन दैट वीडियो, बट आई एम गोना बी रिक्रिएटिंग बाय यूजिंग माय प्रोडक्ट एंड आई विल ट्राई कि मैं ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर लुक क्रिएट कर पाऊँ. So if you guys are interested in watching my Christmas makeup look, no, not actually my, Nikkie's Christmas makeup look, then please let's just keep watching. तो सबसे पहले आई बेस करते हैं. उसके लिए आई एम टेकिंग दिस स्विस ब्यूटी का कंसीलर एंड आई एम इन द शेड 02 सैंड सेबल, जो कि बहुत अच्छा मैच है मेरी स्किन से. इसको मैं लगाऊंगी अपने लिप्स पे एंड ऑल्सो आई एम क्लीनिंग माई ब्राउ लाइन. Then I'm taking a concealer brush and I'm blending this concealer out. And also guys, I have a giveaway going on my channel. So you can subscribe to my channel and I will give the link in the description box of that giveaway. So please enter that and be a part of my family. Okay, so concealer is nice and blended. Next, I'm taking this Morphe James Charles palette and इसमें से मैं base shade को लेके I will set my concealer ताकि मेरा concealer crease ना करे. So I'm taking this shade here and I'm mixing a little bit of white because I need light color on my lids ताकि हमारा जो eyeshadow है वो pop करके आए and बहुत ही bright लगे. So I'm gonna set my eyelids and take a very tiny amount of powder so that आपका जो आई शेडो है वो बहुत ज़्यादा पाउडरी ना लगे उसके ऊपर. Okay, so for eyeshadow I'm gonna be using the same palette by Morphe and I love this palette so much guys. It has a lot of beautiful shades. So I'm gonna be taking this light green shade first and the brush I'm using today is this brush P24. So I'm taking this on my brush and I'm blending it into my inner crease. And just like she said that green is not her color, oh my god, it's totally same. Green is not my color. I don't like green on my eyes and I have never done it in my life, but today is the day. And next I'm taking this dark green shade and I'm applying this to my outer part of the crease. Next she added pigment on her eyelids and it was green in the shade, but I'm gonna be mixing this yellow shade and with that I'm gonna be mixing green shade to make a green pigment because I don't have green pigment right here. So what I'm doing is I'm taking this light green shadow and a little bit of dark green on my finger and I will tap it on my lids a little bit. And then I'm taking this golden shade. It's a really beautiful shimmer, you guys. I love it so much, you guys can see. And I will apply it on my lips. And then I added a little bit of more green. And अब ये बहुत ही प्यारा सा green pigment बन गया है हमारी eyelids पे. And I'm blending the edges. Then I'm taking this color bar liquid liner and I will apply a wing, like a graphic wing because she is wearing that. Okay, next I'm taking this golden liquid eyeliner by Miss Claire and इसको हम apply करेंगे इस eyeliner के ऊपर. Next I'm taking this kajal by Mars and it's very beautiful guys and it's very pigmented and I will apply this. Now I'm just quickly doing my other eye and then I'll be right back. So my eye makeup is done and she haven't applied any eyeshadow on her lower lash line. And now moving to the mascara and my lashes. I'm quickly just curling my lashes with this lash curler. Okay, and I forgot to add stones in my look, so let me just add stones and then हम अपनी lashes को करेंगे complete. And stones को लगाने के लिए I'm using this pack का glitter primer and I'm taking this in the back of my hand. And you need a really less amount. For stones, I'm gonna be using beautiful rainbow stones. You guys can see they are so pretty. First, I'm taking this primer onto a tiny brush. I'm taking this highlighter shade. This is the shade Ring Light, and मैं इससे अपने brow bone को highlight कर दूँगी थोड़ा सा, and also my inner corner. Now I'm wearing this mascara. This is the Maybelline the Falsies Lash Lift Mascara, जो कि मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा favorite है, and I'm gonna be coating my lashes with it. So this is my final eye look, and I think this is the most wearable eye look for Christmas parties. You can add red in it, red sparkles or red lip, whatever you like. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If you guys like this video, then please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so you will get notified whenever I post any video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.